Forget about View 3 and all those other boring video generators. First, check this out.
Whiskers and Mom pad toward Acorn Academy on a bright, sunny morning.
I made this video in just 1 minute from a single prompt. Don't worry, I will show you the full result in a moment. But before that, let me show you how you can make videos like this too, using nothing but a simple idea. Let's get started. We are going to achieve this by following 4 simple steps. Step 1 is content. You are going to see this first website right here. Click on it to open up the website. This is the interface you are going to see. If it is your first time joining this website, then you need to sign in using a Google account. To do that, you can either click on start for free or you can click on login to register your account. I'm going to click on login, and from here you can log in using your Gmail account, or you can enter an email address here, enter a verification code here, and then click on login. After logging in, you are going to see this particular interface. From here you have 2 things you can do right from this website. You can use the AI video generator, which means generating your long video, or you can use the AI character generator, meaning you can design your own unique visual character image. From here you will see AI video generator. Click on create immediately, and when you click on that, a new project is going to be created for you. So this is where you do all the work. So now we start from aspect ratio. So this is where you select your aspect ratio. If you want to use landscape aspect ratio, you select from here, or you can select portrait aspect ratio according to the kind of platform you want to post your video to. For this video, we will select landscape aspect ratio because I will use this video on YouTube. After selecting your aspect ratio, then you need to come down here and select the video language. If you click on language, there are different languages here. For this video, let's go with English, and after that you can select the style, your video style. It's very important to select your video style. We have 3D cartoons, cinematic, horror, and different video styles right from this website. You know what you want to go with. For this video, let's go with Zootopia. So I'll select this, and after that, this is where you enter in your script. We have smart script here, we have basic script. So if I click on basic script, I can create my script from anywhere using ChatGPT or any AI website to generate my script and take it to this website, then paste my script here. I will be using smart script, so I'll click on sample ideas and then I'll enter in this script. So I'm using the smart script option from here. After that, you go through your script, make sure everything is perfect according to what you are going after. When you are done, then you come down here, and this is where you select the video duration. We have 30 seconds, 1 minute, we have up to 30-minute video right from here. Let me tell you this, for the 30-minute video, it is for paid users. For free users, you can go with 1-minute video. So if you are serious with your content creation, then this is an investment you need to make for your content creation. So I'm going to select 1 minute. After that, come here and click on next. And after some few minutes, your script is going to be broken down into short. So these are the short. So this is short 1. We have scene 1 from here. So for the scene 1, you are going to see that first steps to this and that according to your script. So this is short 1. So this is the subtitle that is going to be over your video, and then this is a short description. That is the video description that is going to use this description to generate the video for your first scene. So if you want to change that, this is where you describe your video short. If you want to customize it yourself, you describe it right from here. Then this is short 2, subtitle, short description, just like that. So this is scene 1. If you scroll down now, you can see we have scene 2 from here. So this is where you can do all your necessary adjustment. If you come down here at the middle side here, you can add a new scene. So you can play around, do some twerking that you want to do, and after that, if you are satisfied with your video, you go ahead and click on next. Step 2 is cast. Just after some minutes, you are going to have auto cast, and this is going to detect every character in your script. So from here, you can click on AutoCast, and it's going to generate all these characters for you. And you can see that these are the characters. So you can still go ahead to edit these characters according to how you want to see your video. So now I'm done getting my characters. I can go ahead and click on next to start generating my video. Step 3, storyboard. And with just a few minutes, you have your storyboard being generated for you. There are a lot here that you need to pay attention to, and I'm going to show you that. So over here we have your voiceover speed. So this is where you can increase your voiceover speed. We have the voiceover. This is where you select your voiceover. If you want to use your voiceover, then what you are going to do is to clone your voiceover. Right from here you can see clone, and then you can use this clone to clone your voiceover, or you can select any voiceover from this option. Any of these voiceover, if you click on play option, you will listen to how the voiceover sounds like.
This timbre was generated by Videoinu's latest tone design feature.
This timbre was generated by Videoinu.
This timbre was generated by Videoinu's latest tone design feature.
So any voiceover you like from here, that is what you are going to select. Now that the voiceover has been selected, on the left hand side here, we have different scenes. So these are different images that is going to make up our video. So this is image 1, image 2, 3, and all that. We have up to 12 images that is going to make up our video. So you can still edit these images from here by clicking on this generate edit, and you can use Nano Banana to edit your images. If you are okay with that, over here we have the prompt. This is a prompt that generates this image. So you can see tweak this prompt, you can see tweak it, and then get what you want to achieve. So if you are okay with that, this is the voice over the video, and then this is what is going to say over the video. If you want to change that, you can click on this edit button to change that. If you are okay with that, you can come over here and click on animate, and your video is going to start animating. That's not all, because after a video is done animating, there are some things I need to show you which you need to pay attention to. So once you click on animate, you can come over here. We have animate all. If you want to animate all these images, then you can pick all the images, and then you come down here and click on next. But if you want to animate some of these images and leave some, then you can come over here, select the images you want to animate, select the image you want to animate, then this is the model you like to use, the animate prompt, so generated from customized prompt and all that. But I'm going to animate all, so I'll click on animate all, then come down here and then select, click on next. After that, your images are going to be animated. Now let's wait and see the outcome of this. From here, if you are okay with your animation, then you can go ahead to click on next. And finally, step 4, editing. Then when you click on next, this is the cover settings. You need to do your cover settings, so you can pick from your images to get cover for your image. So if I want to select this, so let's say we'll pick from this. If I select that, you can see the cover image is being updated. So let's click on subtitle settings. So for this subtitle setting, you can decide not to have subtitle over the video, or you can select any of these subtitle option that you want to have over your video. Then you click on background music, and this is where you select background music for your video. So if you click on this play option, you will listen to how the background music sounds like. Anyone you're okay with, you select that, and from here you can reduce the background music so that it doesn't compete with the volume of your video. So I'm going to take it to around 10. So after selecting that background music, then you can go ahead to click on generate. So here you select your aspect ratio again, then you select your video resolution. So for this video, let's go with 1080p. After selecting that, then you come down here and click on generate video, and your video is going to start generating. Now let's wait and take the full preview of our video. Now after some few minutes, you're going to see your video fully ready for you to go ahead to download. You can then preview your video from there. After that, you can click on this download option, and your video is going to be downloaded. I will leave the link to this website in the video description below, so you can use that link to access this website. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if this video was helpful to you. I will see you guys in my next video.